Well, I totally failed at Veda, but I'm going to vlog anyways and put up videos anyways. So for breakfast, we're gonna have some multi-grain Cheerios, the ancient grains. I really like these ones because I really like the puffed wheat or whatever that is in there. And then we're gonna have some blueberries. Mackenzie took the banana milk out of the fridge, so hopefully she doesn't get too full on that, right, Mackenzie?
Yeah.
Gotta eat your cereal too, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I need it. Well, come here.
What?
I lost the camera, I lost the power, I have no control. You mean we have to let the monkey drive the
George is funny, isn't he?
Eating blueberry and Giandas. And mommy in blueberry cereal.
I know Auntie Kylie's gonna be watching, so can you say hi to Auntie Kylie?
Steve was making her
Hi,
another good
Kylie.
idea for her dance recital.
Hey guys, I eating my milk. Cereal. I'm eating on table. My blueberry and my cereal and the on table. DJ one and my blueberry and my cereal. On my Play-Doh.
Do you need your Play-Doh while we're eating?
I need my Play-Doh, Mom. Please?
Are you done eating?
Yeah. You too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. So I'm not too sure what we're gonna do today. Really don't have anything planned. It looks like it might rain. It's pretty windy. So we might just stay inside. I might go to my parents' house to do laundry. Depends how bored I get here. And you know how I'm sure with every mom there's always one toy that they don't like playing with their child or toddler. And it's not, well, it's not like I don't like playing with it. It's just she wants to play with it so much that it gets so repetitive and I just want to do something else because playing with the same toy all day long, 7 days a week gets boring. And in this case, that's her FARM. But luckily we're playing Play-Doh right now.
Yeah, please. Then add 2 little of blue. I'm gonna do this and get red until red. Then add 2 gray yellow.
Brown and yellow.
Yeah, brown yellow. Now, then add 2 Rocky.
Well, we decided to go to my mom's house to do some laundry. I'm also going to maybe take in their bottles for them. I'm not sure. Probably not today, but maybe a different day. What are we gonna do at Grandma's house?
I want
You want a freezy? That's all she wants when she comes to Grandma's house. Well, other than seeing her Gma and paw. She wants a freezy. What's wrong?
Hello, guys. I want a freezy. Hey, guys. I had a freezy. Yeah, okay, bye.
Okay, grab your Play-Doh. I gave her a kiss on the nose and she's like, ew. That's the first time you said ew, hey? About mommy's kisses?
See my Play-Doh?
Yeah.
It's way cool.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, on here. There's popcorn right here.
Okay. She got a haircut.
I got you.
That's our family dog, Gem. She's actually going to be put down on Friday, this Friday. She's really old and she just has a few problems. So, Jimmy's going to go to heaven soon.
You haven't do.
Bye, Jim.
Mom?
Yeah? Want apple?
You're the bullies. Papa, where are you? Where are you?